Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start developing software with Adobe. Easy tutorials. To start developing software with Adobe, begin by selecting the right Adobe software for your needs. For web development, consider Adobe Dreamweaver, while Adobe XD is ideal for designing user interfaces. Once you've chosen your software, download and install it from the official Adobe website. After installation, open the application and familiarize yourself with its interface. Explore the toolbars and options available to understand what features you can utilize. Start a new project by selecting New Project from the main menu. Choose a project type that aligns with your goals, such as web design or mobile app development. Set your project settings according to your requirements, including resolution and file format. If using Adobe XD, take advantage of its wireframing tools to sketch out your design ideas. When you're ready, start adding elements to your project, such as text boxes, images, and buttons. Utilize Adobe's built-in libraries to access stock images and design assets. As you build, pay attention to the alignment and spacing of your elements for a polished look. For coding, if you are using Dreamweaver, switch to the code view to write custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Regularly save your work to avoid losing your progress. Once your design or code is in place, preview it using the built-in preview function. Make adjustments based on your preview results to refine your project further. Consider collaborative options if you're working in a team by using Adobe Cloud Services. As you finalize your project, prepare to export it in the desired format. Choose Export from the File menu and select the appropriate settings for your project. Review your project one last time to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Once satisfied, publish your work to your chosen platform, whether it's a website or mobile app store. Congratulations, you've completed your first software development project with Adobe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.